All right, hey guys, this is Jason here. I want to quickly show you how you can create your squeeze pages in WordPress and make it look very professional, just like what you do in any other tool that's out there, and all done within WordPress. And I'm going to show you how you can do this real quick. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to bring it over to incognito and show you what it looks like without the editor in there. And so you can see what it looks like. And then I'm going to go in through and do some changes for you. Now, this is what it looks like without the editor up here. And basically, it's very cool. You just click here and it'll go to your affiliate product or to go to your autoresponder and capture their emails and then send them to your affiliate product. So that's really cool. So let me show you how you edit this. And so I already have it open over here. And inside this tool is a way that you can edit any of this. And it's really a drag and drop process. So for example, let's say I want to add 4 images right here, or I can add anything I want in here. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be images. It can be anything because there's all kinds of stuff in here. You can do buttons, you can do HTML, images, bullets, you can do image, header text, automated image or automated header. There's tabs, there's tours, there's stuff in here that you can do separators and a sidebar widget that goes right directly from your widgets sidebar. And it's very, very cool. So let's just do an example here. Let's just add an image right here. Since I'm already there, it drops down this little pull down menu here that you can do all sizes, all types of customizations with that image. So let me just grab this image right here, select it, and you can see the image right there. Now you can do image ID, you can do custom dimensions of it, so you can change the size and width, or you can have it automatically fit within that box right there, and that's what it's automatically doing right now. And then you can add padding to it too. So for example, up top here, you say it's a little too close there. I want to make this drop down, so let's make it 30, and it dropped down. See how it dropped down from right there? And so that's a little bit more space. Well, let's say I want to clone this, and I can drag and drop it and put it right there. I want to put a different, let's say I want to do a video on the other side, and let's do a video there. Now, there's a video. It's in there. Now, it's not the same size as this, but let's say this video, I want to be able to, I think I did 33, I'm not sure. But there we go. I dropped it down to 33. It's right in line with that. Now, it's not quite fitting there because the video is a little bit smaller than the image. But if I wanted to, I could bring that image up and squeeze it down a little bit to be able to fit there. And that's the video. So in the video itself is pretty cool because you can do YouTube video, you can do an MP4 or a web video or embed code. And if you just click on the embed code, you put the embed code there from YouTube, and now you embedded your video directly into here, or you can just get the link from YouTube, like this link right here, and you can put it right there and it'll be your video. Now, maybe I want to do, I don't know, a slider, and you can put image sliders right here, and you can go and capture the different images that you want to put in there, and for your slider, and it'll go through 3 or 4 different sliders. You see how it's working right now? Different sliders in there, and it's all WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get, and it's very cool. So if I don't like that, well then I'll just delete this one, and I will do a different one. So let's say, let's go back up here and do basic, and let's go, I don't know, let's just add the sidebar widget here. And now this is the home sidebar widget, and you can see I've got the sidebar there. Now it's awful long because the sidebar is very long and it doesn't really look good there. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. Now you have to scroll down till you find the piece because it's in the middle, and now you get rid of that. That's how easy to do that. Now let's say I want to do, I don't know, it can be anything, Facebook comments, Facebook like right there. And so there we go. Now let me just go ahead and save this, and I'll show you what this looks like. And refresh. Boom. Now you got the Facebook like, Facebook share, and your video and your 2 images there. And if I wanted to, there could be another image there if I wanted to, or whatever I want to put in there. So there's all the information right there in front of you. And it's really easy to create this because I created this myself. I created this box, and then I just added text in here, like a header text, more text, and I created a button here. So for example, if I want to make this a button, I can go up here and make it a button, and I can say I want this as a custom button, or I want to do a pre-made button. like this, and I want to be able to select, buy now button. And then all I have to do is send them to my product or to my PayPal and PayPal link right there, and they can buy now directly from that button right there. That's how cool this is. And or let's say I want to do my custom and I want to make that image a different color. So let's just make that a green right here and choose that image. Now that background's green. Now if I don't like the words, I will say I know, just like that. And the words will change in the background. If I don't want to put this in here underneath, I can get rid of it and just say a buy now button. And I want to make that words a little bit bigger. I can make the words a little bigger. So it's got a bigger buy now in there. And then I can also change the font. I can do all kinds of things with this thing. And I can put padding in there. Let's say I want to do again 33 in padding. So drop it down to make it in line with everything else. And so that's your button. And now I can save this, go back over here, refresh it, and boom, there's your buy now button. This is that easy. And if you don't like the orange in the background, you can change it. You see what I mean? So that's how easy it is to do this with this tool called Profit Builder. And now let me save this, and because I didn't want any of that, and I'll go back over here and I'll show you this, and all this will be gone, and it's back to where it was before. Now let's say you saw that little white box over here. There's another little box here. Well, what if I want to put an image there? I can do that. It's very simple. Just add the image. Let's just do, I don't know, let's just do this one again. Select it, and there's your image. Now you can save it, go back over here, refresh. There's your image. That's how easy it is to do this in Profit Builder. Now you can do this on a post, a page, anything you want within WordPress. And you can create your squeeze pages as simple as that in WordPress. Okay, let me get rid of this. And so that's empty. So if you see nothing in there, it'll be nothing. But you can put, oh my gosh, you can do, let's say, you want to do a counter. You can do a countdown timer in here. Now, obviously, it's hard to see because we need to fix the graphics in it and the colors, so it's hard to see based upon what it is. I'd have to do some playing around with it to see why it's not showing up. But you can see right now it's there. It's probably because some kind of color is not matching up, but that's all right. We could spend some time and work on that. But there it is. And like I said, you can go in here and change anything you want here. This is just like WordPress, so you can go inside there and change this, and you got all different fonts and colors you can do with inside of here. You can put an image in there, and you can put HTML code in here too, and then do the visual of that HTML code. Save it, and your changes will apply over here, and you'll be able to see it. Same down here. That's how easy it is to change this within WordPress. And you can go over here and refresh. And boom, there it is again. That's how easy it is to change and create your funnel pages, your squeeze pages, and your posts right on Facebook. Excuse me, right in WordPress. So if you have any questions, feel free to go to jasongerald.club and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you and have a great day.